Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install VPNs and other useful browser extensions that you won't find on the Chrome Web Store. Whether you are looking for more privacy, access to restricted sites, or powerful tools Google doesn't allow, I've got you covered. So make sure you stick around because this is a must watch if you want to unlock the full potential of your browser. Let's dive in. So first we need to access um, a new browser. Okay, let me just close this and um, make use of most used browser which is Chrome. Sorry. So here we are. Let's create. Let's continue with Brave. So you can use your Chrome or any browser of your choice. So here we are. To add our extensions like Avira, we go to your Chrome Web Store. You will discover a lot and a lot of extension I'm using every day. So here we are. So I want to use a VPN on my PC on this Brave browser, my browser. So and the VPN login I have is Avira Phantom. Let me just use VPN SH. So here the Avira VPN have been removed. So we have been given another choice to either go for Blaze VPN or we for Chrome Titan Tunnel VPN. and another suggestion here, which is not a VPN. So now, how do you go about it? How do you install your VPN? If you notice, you find out that we have a lot of um extensions that you can use on your browser without making payments or without subscribing, and you'll be working perfectly fine. But most of them are not on web store again or got removed from web store. So how do you find, or how can you find all these extensions and to install it on your browser to start using it? So make sure you follow this video, comment, subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I will get back to you immediately on any question you have. So let's continue. So to add it, let's go to our extensions. So to manage extension. So here is the main deal. So you have to um convert your extension page into a developer mode. So here it is just on the developer mode. So now you are not a developer on Chrome extension. For instance, if you develop your own extension and you want to test it out, you can just um test it out here. Maybe you haven't launched it on Google Chrome yet, or you are just or you just have the script or um the file you want to install to test run, or you create an extension for a buyer and you want to do a testing and stuff like that. So this is how to go about it. So um on the developer mode, yeah, let's move. Search for Chrome, start. So we search for Chrome start. So this is the URL, chrome starts.com. So click on it. So here you have the opportunity to download a lot of missing extensions that you have been craving for all this while. So here we have a lot of extensions. We have Adobe Acrobat, we have File by Google, we have Stay Focus, we have a lot. We have the Open and a lot of extensions. So for instance, maybe you have been looking forward to install a VPN on your Chrome without paying or subscribing, and maybe you have um a name of it that you want to download, and you go to Chrome web Chrome web store and you discover you can't find the station there. So you just come to this site, then search for the name, or you can just search your VPN. And let's see. So these are results from K message. Or let's just search for Avera Phantom. So here is the extension. So as you can see, this extension was removed from Chrome Web Store on 2023/11/03, and I still use it up to date. So just go down, scroll down, and we can download it. But we need more extensions, VPN. Scroll down, there you can see a lot of extensions. You can just download anyone you like and install it on your browser. So to download, come back to download, click on download. So here's our download. So these are the instructions you have to follow, which I've already take. I mean the steps. So you becoming a developer and you installing it. So before you can download from this site, you have to input your Gmail. So if you want to download, you'll be asked to download either a CRX file or zip file. I do use CRX file because uh, uh respond to mean than zip file, and very easy to use. So just insert your Gmail. So a code was sent to my Gmail. Let me check my Gmail. Okay, send +442076. Sign in. Guys, we are in. So we check up here. You can see it has changed from sign in to a normal user account. So click on the CRX file. Click on download button. Download into still loading. Okay. Okay. So here to download. So this is another problem you might be facing when you want to download your extensions from this site, because most of it have been removed from Google. So you're just like re-downloading it. So most of the time, um, your browser do block the download. So what can you do? Just click on it and click on download unverified file. So come back to your extensions. Then we have become a developer. Click on download. Still loading. So now download is in. Drag and drop as simple as ABC. So add extension. So now our extension is here. Also applicable to any extension you want to download. Maybe you have been like looking for a particular extension also like that. So you just go here, come here and download any extension of your choice. So and there is a way you can actually this is just let me see a tips of there's a way you can get premium tools, premium extensions, premium VPN, premium platform um with small money. Like for instance, you need Grammarly for your work. This is the way you can get that. If you want your personal login, this is the way you can get that. So you can just drop um any extension or any app in the comment section that you wish to to get to get. And you have anything you want me to do a video about, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.